All right, real quick tutorial how to change fill valve and flapper kit. Got a runny toilet. First thing you do, turn that water valve off. And then flush your bowl. Get the water out. And it's not all gone, so hold the flapper up. Get the rest out that you can. It's not gonna all go out. So when you loosen this up, it's gonna drain out the bottom, so have yourself a little bowl there. And loosen that here. And then there's another one there that holds the flapper, the flusher tight once you get it in there. Once you loosen both of those up, this is going to pull down. This is going to come up and out of the bowl. So you pull this out, it's going to drain that water. Let's take off your hose. And then just it. I'm just going to push this come up. Now, there goes all the water. Alright, this comes right out. You want to take your hose off and you use that. This is going to go in here, so the water drains back into that. Just leave it off to the side. And it just comes out like that. Of course, leave a towel down there to catch your water. And we're going to change this flapper too. New device goes in right through the hole. And we're going to use this new lock ring because that's what came with it. So we're going to eliminate this one here. All right, line it up. Sure. Snap right in there. And just get that to snug. I'm gonna do that real fast. All right, so you get this good and hand tight. And then make sure your hose is lined up. And then your water line, you want to get that secure, real hand tight. You don't need a wrench or anything for this, just hand tight is good. As long as it's not leaking when you turn the water back on. We're going to take our hose, hook it back up here. This is going to go on here. Make sure you got it the right way. Where this hose, this open hole goes into the hole here. And actually trim this down because it just goes right there. And that's basically it. You're good to go. I'm going to change the flapper too, but it just comes off like this. And then unhook it here. Okay, so as you can see, hose is hooked up here. The open part of the hose is here with where the water can drain out. Now we're going to turn our water on. Make sure there's nothing leaking. Let it fill up. Everything in here. Everything's looking good. There you go, nice and easy.